back in effect with another video from SoWutIzUSayin. So today what I'm saying is I'm continuing on with my diatribe about Ben Goertzel. Now, Ben Goertzel is a cross-disciplinary scientist, entrepreneur, and author. So basically, he's got a lot of foundations. He's got the Singularity Net Foundation, the Open Cog Foundation, and the AGI Society, which runs annual Artificial General Intelligence Conference. So basically, he's a futurist, and he is working diligently to try to get humans and machines to become one as the artificial intelligence moves rapidly towards a concept called singularity or AGI, where the artificial intelligence surpasses the knowledge base or the abilities of humans. This will inherently happen because it's more smart, more intelligent than the most intelligent, smart human counterpart that could possibly be. Looks like I got another email. Forgot to turn that off. You'll hear that from time to time, but it is what it is. Getting back to the point. So in the background, I'm going to show you a guy. He's doing a lecture right now to some students. And basically, he's talking about the replacement of humans. Well, he talked about more than that, but what I heard is the replacement of humans. So I'm going to play a little bit of this clip, and so that you understand, this is not a joke. This is real talk. These cats are serious. They working towards it. While you into whatever you into, these cats is into this.
I mean, it may be that with this type of AGI, it may be that with this type of narrow AI system, even falling short of general intelligence in the human sense, I won't be shocked if that ultimately obsoletes like 95% of human jobs, right? I mean, there's a lot more work to be done to get there, of course. I mean, many jobs involve physical manipulation, and integrating LLMs with robots to do physical manipulation is hard, as we see from these robots here, like this dog whose head just fell off, and the Sophia, who's on a tripod, although she's been on wheels and legs at various times. So there's a lot of engineering work, there's a lot of training and tuning work, but fundamentally I wouldn't be shocked if very high percent of jobs that humans now get paid to do could be obsoleted by this sort of technology. And there are going to be jobs like a preschool teacher or hospice care or therapist that you just want to be done by a person because it's about human to human connection, just like we see live music. Even though recorded music may sound better because we like being in the room with people, other humans playing music, right? But that's a minority of jobs that people do. And there are also jobs doing things that these sorts of neural nets I think will never be capable of, and I'll come to that in a moment, though I think different sorts of algorithms could do it. But it's not a big percent of human jobs, right? So one lesson to draw here is almost everything people get paid to do is just rote and repetitive recycling of stuff that's already been done before, right? So if you feed a giant neural net with a lot of examples of everything that's been done before, that can then, pick stuff out of this database and merge them together judiciously, okay, you eliminate most of what people get paid to do. And it takes a little bit of time to roll this out in practice, not necessarily that long. Like I know some friends of mine who were from the AGI research community started a company called Apprente maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and what they started out wanting to build AGI, their VC investors channeled them, as would be the usual case, into doing some particular application instead. And what they ultimately did was automate the McDonald's drive-through. They sold the company to McDonald's maybe 2.5 years ago. It's now their technology is starting to get rolled out in some real McDonald's around the world, right? So you're getting that guy who sits behind the drive-through window listening to stuff over that noisy, horrible microphone, like give me a Big Mac and fries, hold the ketchup, right? I mean, so they're finally automating away these people, what's one thing that's interesting to me there is to see from that technology being shown to work, to it actually being deployed across all the McDonald's is taking at least 5 years, right? So I mean, it's obvious that could be automated to me a long time ago.
People can be replaced. Don't think your job can't be replaced. If you thinking that, what I'm doing can't be replaced. I'm a salesman by trade. I sell things. But guess what? AI can do it better. Yeah, we got human to human, but guess what? Humans have a lot of things that they expect now, don't they? I mean, honestly, in your profession, they want answers. AI can give it answers. And it can give it answers being trained upon that particular company's information or data, right? They can have all the ins and outs and understand the questioning and reasoning behind what someone is asking about that product or service. I could be replaced. Teacher, you could be replaced. Think about it. You're teaching people information. What about that can't you be replaced with? Robots can replace people in factories. Any time that you got, and I saw this, and I said that I agree with that 100%. I saw a video where they said, okay, anytime a corporation, a business entity, can eliminate humans, let's talk about it. Humans have a cost involved. First of all, it's the thing where humans call off sick, they take vacations, they get vacation pay, they get workman's compensation. Workman's compensation has to be paid whether they get injured or not. They get let's see what else they get. Humans have accidents on the job. Humans make mistakes, right? Humans don't have an extensive knowledge base to go upon. AI can solve all of that. Humans have the day off. AI don't need the day off. AI can just go and go and go. It's an employee that just keeps on giving you benefits at a minimum cost to upkeep, right? Far less cost than your typical human. Think about it, right? As you prepare for your college major, what you gonna major in that AI ain't gonna be able to do? Think about that. Institutions of higher learning. Are you prepared to prepare the young people who are giving you money to attend your school? Are you prepared to get them prepared for what's about to come down? I bet you the answer is not really. I bet you're going according to status quo, even though you are somewhat aware of what's going on. You've seen ChatGPT and students using it to write term papers, to help them with their assignments and things of that nature. And you got teachers and instructors and professors who have to learn how to kind of wheel and deal in this new environment. Well, some of y'all gonna fail. Matter of fact, the majority of y'all gonna fail, and you're gonna open up the door towards AI coming and taking your job. If you're a manager or a supervisor, how important are you? What you gonna manage? You gonna manage people? People gonna be eliminated. What are you really managing? You better learn this AI stuff. You better learn how you can fit in and how you can find a special niche in that area, because as it continues to learn and to grow and to teach itself, because human teachers, it'll surpass the ability of a human to teach it. It's reality. We're in a brave new world, people. We got to figure out how we gonna fit in. And if you sell things, who you gonna sell to? Who's buying it? If they don't have jobs, who's gonna buy what you're selling? Think about that. Real talk, y'all. I just wanted to put something on your mind today. Something to make you think. So what is you saying? It's your boy, Woody Wood. And of course, I'm out.